This guy slant. He's not that big. Just hit hard. There we go. First fish of the day back at the river. First rainbow on the fly. Not a bad fish to start the day. A nice pretty rainbow. Get him back in. Fly fish in the river again, and probably using the spinning rod again. Use them both. And yeah, that's hopefully get some more fish today. There we go, guys. This one, another rainbow. He jumped like 3 foot. It's fun fighting him on this fly rod, especially these pockets. I love fishing these fish in these pockets. Oh, there we go. Second rainbow day. Almost like the same size. Nice trout on the fly. It's always fun to catch trout on the fly. I love catching trout on the fly, guys. One of the funnest ways to catch trout, in my opinion. I love catching them on a spinning rod, but the fly is really fun. Here we go, nice one here. Get him in. Nice. And there he goes. I don't really want to take him out of the water too long because the water temp's, it's a warm one today. We're not right now, but it's going to get really hot. The water temp's almost 70, so keep trying, see if we get any more here. All right, guys, the spot I'm fishing here is like a little pocket, hole, eddy type thing. This is a really good spot. I usually do pretty good at these spots. Really, the whole river, like there's one right there where that white water is. There's another one right there, but those spots I like to fish. Those fish like to hold up in those pockets. They're surprisingly deep too. So I'm gonna keep trying to see if we get any more. I think we'll get some more. I was reeling up my fly line. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. I was reeling in my line, guys. I got this guy. He's right by me. Oh. Short but fatty. That's the thing, guys. Fish in these pockets like that could be very hard to land fish. It is fun fighting them though. This guy's a fat one. That's a fatty right there. Get him in. Boom. Nice, nice. There you go. Got one. Put a split shot on it, guys. Get a little bigger hole. It's a little bigger hole. Got to get down there a little bit. It's moving. I got this guy. Good, he can stay in the water there. Another smaller one. Not really anything crazy today. That's fine. That's a limit on the fly rod. I was using a little bit of live bait too, but we'll keep trying here. Fishing above the hole. Let my fly drift down. See if I get any more, hopefully. But really, not a bad day for it being going to be 90 degrees. Got a little bit better one on, guys. See, that split shot makes a difference. This is a good one. Definitely probably going, if I land them, probably be a little bit biggest of the day if I can get them. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Good sized one, not big, but nice. If I was keeping them, that'd be a good one to keep. Yeah, that's a really nice fish there. Ooh, yes. Wow, that's a nice trout right there, guys. That's a really nice one. That's why you fly fish, or trout fish in general. Hope to get a nice one. That's a good one there, guys. That's a good, like, 15-incher. Easy. That's a really nice fish. That's good for especially a day like today. There we go. Nice, nice. Look at that. You change weights and you get fish. Nice, nice. He'll be fine too. Good. Ooh, it isn't. Ooh.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it's an average size one. Yeah. Nice one here. That's 7 on a fly rod. He's right here. There we go, guys. Another rainbow here on the fly rod. We'll add some weight. That's what happened. I got some more hits in these bigger holes. The pockets, you don't need the weight. There he goes. There you go. Keep trying to fly rod. I didn't catch anything on a spinning rod. Everything's on the fly, so keep trying more. Well, got them now. My dad saw them jumping down here, guys. So I went down with the fly, and I hooked another one. Another nice, beautiful fit rainbow. Ooh, 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 ooh. There you go. Another nice one. Yeah, it's another nice rainbow. Now we're getting some size. There you guys, on the fly again, fishing the tail end of the big hole here. Usually tail end of a hole, so usually really, really good. for trout. They like to sit down there. Oh, can you pop that? It did. Perfect, guys. He popped right out. Nice. Let's get him in. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a nice one there. Nice, nice, nice. First fish on the spinning rod, guys. Took this long. It's a nice one. Oh. Oh, it's a nice brookie. Yeah, I believe it's a brook. Oh yeah, wow. It's like a hook. That's a really nice brookie, guys. Really nice one there. It's like a little hook jaw. That is a nice fish, guys. Look at that, guys. That's a really nice brookie. There he goes. I think I see him. He's in there. He did? Yeah. Yeah, guys, these big hole guys are really good for trout. I mean, I always catch them good, and it's like usually you get eddy in the middle of some of these big holes, and the tail end, that's where you want to fish for these fish in these big holes. So I'm gonna keep trying in here. A lot of water coverage, so it takes a little bit of water to fish these holes, but we'll keep trying so we get any nicer fish. My dad just lost a huge something big. Guys, you really can't beat the combo between fly and spinning, like live bait and fly. I mean, it's a perfect way to fish a river. That's why I love fishing it that way, because you can just try different things. One hole might get the flies, and the other one might get use fly bait again. So I'm gonna keep trying, see, but good day, really good day. I actually did not catch a brown trout today, which is interesting. There you go, guys, another fish on the spinning rod. Brown. Hey, there's the brown I was just talking about I didn't get. Yep. Nice. Oh, he's going right to the shoreline. All right. And he's coming back to me. Nice. I caught a rainbow, brookie, and brown. Uh-oh, he gut hooked it. I don't know, guys. How much should I get this guy hooked? Hopefully he'll be fine. That's a nice one there. Not a bad fish. Yeah, not bad. We'll get him unhooked. A nice fish. He's barely hooked too. It's big. Oh my God. I think it's a big brown trout. His head's shaking a lot though. That is a huge brook. Like yours. That thing is huge. I almost had him too. Wow! That's a tiger trout! I caught a tiger trout! That's a huge tiger trout! Oh my God! That thing is huge! That's a... Oh my God! That thing is huge, Dad! Oh my good grief! Dad, look at that thing! Oh my God, guys! That's the biggest tiger trout I've ever seen! That's the only one I ever caught, too! This is the biggest tiger trout, I believe it is, I have ever seen in my life. I mean, holy crap. Look at that thing. Wow. That is a big one, guys. I think I'm gonna keep him. I know some people are gonna be disappointed, but where we fish is very pressured. Someone's gonna keep this fish, but he's not gonna be wasted. This fish won't never be wasted. Beautiful fish. And you know what? It's my first tiger trout, and I think I should keep him. Oh, he almost got away. Let's get him on a stringer.
Well, yeah, you're gonna lose him.
Yeah. All right, guys. Whoa. We got out of there with the big tiger trout. That's my first tiger trout I ever caught. First one I ever caught, and it's the biggest, and I kept them. We're going to eat them. That was my third fish on a worm. I mean, my biggest tiger trout was caught on a friggin' worm. Oh my God. Well, basically, guys, that's what I've been doing. Just fishing the fly and fishing worms. You can't beat that on a river, especially summertime. You cannot beat that. It's you're killing two birds with one stone. Yeah, you're catching them. If they're biting the fly, you'll get the fly bite. If they're biting live bait, you'll get a live bait fly. I mean, the live bait bite is one. But just great day. We want to flam up and cook them up. It's gonna be, I mean, it's not gonna go wasted. I said I don't like wasting fish. This fish is gonna be it's gonna be a really good meal. Like, I caught goldens, I caught big rainbows, browns, nice brookies, and I never caught a tiger. So I finally caught one really cool fish, and we're gonna flay them up. Should be good. Now it's time to clean the biggest tiger trout, and the only one I've ever seen. Voila, that is a big trout. He's taking up almost the whole cutting board. So we know it's a big trout. So we keep baiting the whole cutting board. So it's going to flay him down. It really shouldn't be that bad at all. So let's get him flayed up. All right, so now it's just basically going to rinse him in cool water, and definitely going to grill this fish. It's going to be really, really good. It's going to be really good. Okay, guys. Going to put the trout on now. It's been a while. Got the trout here. Season it with this. This is one of my favorite seasonings of all time. Rib rack spice rub, hot honey. I use this thing on everything. In my previous catch and cooks this year, that my dad's big brookie and my perch, I use this seasoning. Great seasoning, great seasoning. But I'm gonna put this trout on, and yeah, it won't take long, especially with the charcoal grill. So gonna put this on, and it's probably gonna be great, guys. Really good. Oh, there we go. There we go. Some chicken thighs here too. But this shouldn't take long at all, especially on the charcoal grill. We love cooking stuff on the charcoal grill, so it's gonna be excellent. It definitely won't take too long at all. Oh. Trout is practically done, guys. You could tell when it kind of falls off, like right here, right check. Yeah, that's pretty much done. It's probably a couple more seconds and it's gonna be done. But yeah, should be very good. Guys, the dinner is ready. Look at this trout. Oh my goodness, it looks like salmon. Got a piece of corn, some croissants. Marvelous dinner. But anyways, guys, what a great day of fishing that was. It was a while. Actually, it's been like a month. What a great day. Caught a lot of nice trout on the fly. Caught my first ever tiger trout, and it's a really big one. But anyways, guys, it's a great day fishing the river, using flies, live bait. That's how I do really go on the river, especially that summer. It was just an excellent day. You couldn't complain. I caught I caught rainbow, tiger, brook, and I don't know if I caught a brown. I forgot. But anyways, guys, great day. This is gonna be a great dinner. But anyways, guys, great dinner, great day of fishing, great fish that day, and hopefully, guys, enjoy this video. Later, guys.